God has given me the grace and the charisma to attract people. And unfortunately, most of the people that I attract, they come with problems, and I try by all means to resolve. But now it gets much difficult gaming over. A lot of people that comes with problems are ladies. And only find that mabezana inkinga zasemakhaya wabo, whereby indoda uthola ukuthi banomntana oyi-1 or abayi-2. Indoda ayitshintshile, ayisasiyile nto bekayiyo ekuqaleni. Indoda iyahlukumeza, indoda iyashaya, indoda ibuya idakiwe, sometimes ayibuyi nokubuya, sometimes imtshela ngendlela angafundanga ngakhona, ngendlela amubi ngakhona, ngendlela ahlupheke yiyo. And it's very difficult for me, because now at the end of the day mina ngisuka ngilibona iphuzu ukuthi le ndoda ayisamfuni lo muntu wesifazane, but kunzima ukuthi ngamtshela lokho ngoba egcineni I need to come up with a solution to fix, not to break. But angintshele ke ebosisi na into engiphathele yona ke namhlanje ngifuna niyazi lento ukuthi uzoloku ubekezela uthi ngoba nginomntana naye ubaba omntanami sisuka kude sine 5 years or 10 years together, lo muntu ungidlele isikhathi, abantwana bami angifuni babe nezibongo ezihlukahlukene. That is exactly eyinkinga. Lento ukuthi ubaba omntwana sisuka kude sine ungidlele isikhathi nani, that needs to stop now, ladies. That needs to stop now. There are people out there, amadoda abalinde umuntu ofana nawe, abalinde the opportunity yokuthi bangahlangana nomuntu onjengawe. Balimela abantu la ngaphandle, badinga umuntu ozobapholisa, umuntu ozobakhela imizi wena usastakile laphayana. And the true fact ukuthi you know very well ukuthi le ndoda le ngeke ichinje. Noma ngabe ngayicolisa kule zinto ezenzayo, uyocolisa in 2 days, 3 days, in a week uyobabuyele futhi kule mikhuba yakhe yakudala. I am here to tell you bosisi ukuthi into uma ngabe iyanuka, there's no better way to say it. Just say ukuthi iyanuka, finish and clear. So I'm here to tell you guys ukuthi there's life out there. Phuma lapho, ungazophume ufile, ungazophume ngebhokisi. What for? Your life is more precious than that man. Phuma.